Hello, everyone. Hope everyone's doing well and staying safe and healthy and doing their best to maintain social distancing. Unfortunately, COVID 19 has shown us that life is extremely unpredictable. It's negatively impacted millions of people physically, emotionally, as well as financially. And that is something I want to talk to you about here today, which is basically building a savings account through the stock market. As someone who's been investing in stocks for over 6 years, I feel like I have gained plenty of practical experience I can pass on to you, and hopefully get you feeling more confident about investing in stocks. Obviously as college students, we're all broke. We could always use money. So it'd always be nice to know that not only do we have money saved up, but it's growing with us not even having to do anything with it. Stocks should definitely be looked at as a valuable asset right now, considering obviously everyone needs money. It can grow money over time, and it'd be nice to have a nice fund built for the future. So, to begin, as previously stated, everyone needs money. I mean, that's just a fact of life. But especially with this virus happening and considering how it happened so quickly, millions of people could definitely use some type of funding. In a source taken from Investopedia, over 30 million Americans lost their jobs in 6 weeks, and 41% are experiencing financial strain. Obviously, that's ridiculous. Those are insane numbers, and I guarantee plenty of those people just didn't have a savings account built up. The coronavirus, it feels like it happened overnight. Everything's shut down, and people were just wondering, like, well, what are we supposed to do about bills? Like, we have nothing we can do with that. I think it's important, if you invest in stocks, it'd be nice to have a fund built. So, to continue, the market has been hitting all-time lows, and this is one of the most perfect opportunities to actually jump into the stock market. So, obviously, the market is very unpredictable, and even if you invest wisely in only blue chip stocks, things happen that are out of your control. It was just recently, I think it was like a day or two ago, Elon Musk tweeted that Tesla stock was overpriced and it dropped $34 billion, which obviously as someone who's invested in Tesla, that sucks. There's nothing you can do about that. But I think the good thing about the stock market is nothing is set in stone. So what may be extremely bad news one day can turn around in a week or two, and you could actually be making more money than before. If investing wisely, it could obviously be a very beneficial tool. And it's a lot easier than people think. So this is a source taken from U.S. News off their money section. This is written by John Devine. It's just a quick list of top blue chip stocks to invest in 2020. On it is companies like Facebook, McDonald's, Alibaba Holding Group, some companies that are major names that people are very familiar with and that are very reliable. These are companies that you could bet a lot of money that they're not going to go anywhere or anything's going to happen for a long time, hopefully. Let's knock on wood about that. But, just like I said, a quick Google search, and I was able to come up with a strong list of very good stocks to, immediately jump into. So, to continue, obviously, it'd be amazing to know that you have a huge fund built up and you can have thousands of dollars to rely on, and it grew without you having to do anything. This is an example of just Amazon stock 5 years ago. It was at $433 a share, and as of yesterday, it was at $2,286, which is 5 times the initial investment. So if you put $5,000 in Amazon stock initially, you now have $25,000 of money that you just had sitting there, that just you didn't have to do anything with it. Wouldn't it be nice to know that, at any time you can access this money, whether you need a down payment on a house, a down payment on a car, you have bills coming up. Life, like I said, is very unpredictable. You need to know that you have some money that you can just pull out of at any given time, and also even more money than you even realized you had. That's where the stock market comes into play. It is very beneficial to help grow money and also keep a savings account built and continuing. So, clearly investing in stocks, if done wisely, can be an extremely valuable asset. Stocks should definitely be looked at as a valuable investment right now, considering everyone needs money. It can grow money over time and have a nice fund built up for the future. Like I said previously, it's easy. It is really not as difficult as some may think. Like I said, quick Google search, maybe even downloading an app like Stash or Robinhood. I know Cash App has a stock option now. And you can immediately jump in and start seeing prices and get a feel for what type of stocks you should invest in. Investing has never been easier. You can do it from your phone in your bed. Why not take advantage now? Thank you guys for listening, and good luck for the future. Thank you.